This guide will help you understand how to request payouts on Uber in 2026. Follow these simple steps to ensure you receive your earnings smoothly. Step 1. Open the Uber app. Launch the Uber app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into your driver account to access your earnings and payout options. Step 2. Navigate to earnings. Once in the app, locate the menu icon, usually found in the top left corner. Tap on it and select the earnings option from the drop-down menu to view total earnings and payout details. Step 3. Select payout options. In the earnings section, look for the payout or cash out button. Tap on this option to access the different payout methods available to you, such as instant cash out or scheduled payouts. Step 4. Choose your payout method. Decide how you want to receive your earnings. If you select instant cash out, ensure you have a linked bank account or debit card. Follow the prompts to confirm your chosen method. Step 5. Confirm and request payout. After selecting your payout method, review the details and confirm your request. You will receive a notification once your payout has been processed, and the funds will be transferred to your account. By following these steps, you can easily request your payouts on Uber. Make sure to keep your app updated and check for any changes in the payout process.